Especially if he starts rolling around in the mud, the first place he's going is the bathroom. First place he's going is the bathroom. Good boy, Zed, staying in the yard. Come on, guys, over here. Max's fur is all sticking up.
Yep, it is.
Oh, he's so taking a bath. Look at those legs. Have your fun now, bud, because you're getting a bath when you go inside.
Oh, oh my gosh.
It's gonna run into the door. I'm gonna pull the car up. Make sure they don't follow me.
Yeah. Hey guys! Hey guys! Oh, oh, oh. Come on guys, over here. Back here. Come on, Zed. Zed, back here.